Welcome, my dear student. I am GT sir, and today I will talk about the chapter in Father Presence. This is the very funniest story, and this chapter has been taken from the storybook Swami and Friends, and this is the popular children storybook, and it has been written by R.K. Narayan. That was the well-known famous writer, and in this story there was a 10 years old boy story that is the take his everyday adventures in fictional town of Malgudi. In next the Swaminathan struggling, we can see that in this story the Swaminathan is struggling with the mysterious of the mathematics as his father tries to get him study during the summer holiday. So let's begin the story. First his father entered the room and he asked to him that how many days in it since you have touched your book. Then he also dust the book and clean the web that an industrious, it means laborious spider was weaving between a corner of the table and a pile of books. Swaminathan surprised to hear this question. Okay, and he said that should should he read even when he had no school? So his father also tell him that do you think that you have passed the BA examination or BA? Then the little boy become fear and he said that not mean that, and he said that if the examination is over and school is closed, even the should he read book? Then his father rebuke him and tell him you must read the book. And he also gave some of the excuse that even Rajan does not read the book. And he also remembered that Rajan complaining bitterly of a home tutor who came and protested means irritate someone by asking something repeatedly. Okay, him for 2 hours a day, 3K week. After the cleaning book and the table, after half an hour later, Swaminathan sat in his father's room in a chair with his slate and in his hand and a pencil. Then his father also take a arithmetic books and opened, search out some question and he detected. He asked to the Swaminathan that Ram has 10 mangoes with which he wants to earn 15 annas. Krishna wants only 4 mangoes. How much will Krishna have to pay? This is the question. When the Swaminathan heard this question, he gazed and gazed. He gazed and gazed this question many times, and after that he read it many times. Then he seems acquire a new meaning. Okay, he had the feeling of having stepped into a fearful maze. But when he think about the mangoes, his mouth began to water. And he also wondered that what made Rama fixed 15 annas for 10 mangoes. What kind of a man was Rama? He think that what kind of the man Rama, and he also compared the Rama with the Shankar. Just like that, someone could not help feeling that he must have been like a Shankar. He says that Krishna looks like a pea and Rama look like a Shankar. Swaminathan also extremely felt sorry and sympathy with the Krishna. And father asked him, have you done the sum? But Swaminathan asked to his father that, tell me if the mangoes were ripe or unripe. The father regarded him for a while and smoothing a smile remark. He stopping his smile remark and says to him that, do the sum first and after that I will tell you the fruit, it means mangoes, were ripe or unripe. Swaminath felt utterly helpless, and he think that only one person would tell me that the mango is ripe or wrong, that was his father. He felt strongly that answer to this question containing to the key of the whole problem. And next, Swaminathan steadily began to hate and invest with the darkest qualities of Rama. Father, after some time, the Swaminathan tell to his father that he can't do that sum. The father become angry, and he asking to him that to give him slate and he is reading the book, and before the reading the book he also rebuked to the Swaminathan that he was the very fool boy. And then he asked some question, it means father asked some question. What he asked? He asked that, if father asked, how much does Rama expect for 10 mangoes? Then Swaminathan thought first, and after the thought he also said that it is the price of not exact. Okay, and this, if they were ripe, it means mangoes were ripe, then 15 anaj might not be importable price. If only he could get more light on this point. Then father asked again, how much does Rama want for these mangoes? Then he replied, it means Swaminathan replied, 15 anaj. And then he was not confirmed. Okay, father says to him, very good to reply this answer. And he next asked, how many mangoes does Krishna want? Then Swaminathan replied that four mangoes, 4 anaj. Oh no, sorry, 4 mangoes. What is the price of 4 mangoes? The father asked next question. Then Swaminathan think about that. How could he know what that fool Krishna would pay? He had half a mind to trash him, and his hand took Swaminathan ear. 10 mangoes cost 15 anaj. What is the price of one? Father asked and repeat this question again. But Swaminathan cannot speak because he was not confirmed and he cannot know about the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, so longer he hesitated. When the father catch his ear and twisting it violently, then the little boy, it means Swaminathan, squeal, it means crying and weeping. And he says that father, he said that I am not going to leave. Then father said that I am not going to leave you till you tell me how much a single mango cost at 15 anaj. The little Swaminath kept blinking, it means weeping, and after that, father wanted to badly to know instead of harassing him. So he think that if the father wanted to know this no answer of this question, then why they will ask to me? He should go into the market and find out of a whole brood of Ramas and Krishna with their endless transaction with odd quantities of mangoes and fraction of money. Okay, father admitted defeat by the declaring one mango cost 15 over 10 anaj simplified. And when the father says this statement and he know that it was the fraction, when he know, it means Swaminathan know that it was fraction, then he asked to his father, give me the slate, I will find out. He worked and found at the end of the 15 minutes, and then he tell the reply. What is his reply? The price of one mango is 3 over 2 anaj. He expected contradicted any moment, but father said very good. Contradicted means be told that he was wrong. He was not confirmed. His answer was correct, but he said it. And when the father heard this answer, he says that very good. It was plain sailing after that. The Swaminathan announced at the end of half an hour, and he said that the Krishna must pay 6 anaj and burst into tears. It means he weeping very bitterly. And such type way the Swaminathan replied the correct answer. At the 5 o'clock, when his father is going for a club, he also asked to the Swaminathan and also felt sorry for the all work that happened in afternoon. And he said to his son that, would you like you to come with me to the club, boy? The Swaminathan sulking behind a pillar, and we have gone means very unhappy. It means serious face. And Swaminathan answered by disappearing for a minute. It means he was disappeared. It means invisible for a moment, a minute, and reappearing to put on his coat and cap. So this story has been completed by its summary. I hope you all understand this story very well, and I will come for the next video. Thank you.